If you feel sad, then read Geronimo Stilton. Geronimo Stilton will make you feel happy. Geronimo Stilton is the best book in the world. Geronimo Stilton will win many book prizes. Everyone wants to read Geronimo Stilton, so don't be the only kid at CA who has not read this book. You must hurry out and buy Geronimo Stilton. Don't forget the name Geronimo Stilton. It's full of funny characters who do very funny things. Each character has a funny name, for example, Boris von Kakekufur. Geronimo Stilton is funny because he is not really brave. Once it said he ran down the hill squeaking at the top of his lungs. This book is full of funny parts like this. It's recommend Geronimo Stilton. It's so entertaining.